Hey there, my name is Leo Arona. I am the owner of Arona Marketing right here in Madisonville, Kentucky. I wanted to reach out to you today and kind of introduce myself and introduce my business to you. We are a local website and SEO development company. And if you're not familiar with SEO, it's search engine optimization. And what it is a tool that helps get your Google business listed up higher and outranking your competitors. In 2018, Google actually ran statistics and seen that 74.54 Americans are searching Google every day, and 67% of those do not go past the first page. So that is the importance of SEO. And what I like to do for you is take a couple minutes today and do a free website audit for you all and let you know why you are ranking where you're ranking. As you see here, I have your page pulled up right now. I'm sure you're familiar with this. I actually really like the page. The only thing about the page is just not a lot going on here. Um, what I done was went to Google and searched HVAC Madisonville, Kentucky. Hopkins County Heat and Air pops up as number one. I think you're number 8 down here in the list. And the Google Map Pack usually only shows the top 3, and a lot of people that search Google, I'm sure you're familiar with it yourself. When you search Google, usually customers are grabbing one of these first 3 spots. So my goal is to help companies reach this Google Map Pack. That way you're on the top of the list and you're outranking your competitors. My whole goal for SEO is to work with you and help rank your website, move it up, and draw in more customers. Now, if you take a look here at Hopkins County Heat and Air, they have, it looks to me like it's more of a spammy site. It looks like an ad site. I'm not sure about the build on it. But as you see here, they actually have more content on their homepage than you do. And idealistically, Google is looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the rest of the pages behind that, you need probably 500 to 700 words. As you see here, their products and services, they've got a lot of pull down menu items on here. Again, it's kind of spammy to me. I like your layout. It is straight to the point. People can come in here. They're not getting confused on anything. And you all explain everything really well. But I wanted to introduce you to this tool that I have. It is Ahrefs, and this is what the tool does. It essentially just shows the power of your website, and the things that will help you move up are the URDR, backlinks, organic keywords, and citations. So, and content. And that was the main thing. Just right here alone, I mean, it looks like you might have 200 words on your front page, which is about 1,300 to 1,800 short. And what Google does is they comb through these websites looking for keywords, they're looking for backlinks, they're looking for citations. And if a customer comes in and they're searching air conditioner fix Madisonville, Kentucky, and say that keyword's ranking higher, then that's a keyword that we want to put inside your content on your pages. That way, when someone searches it, it pushes it to the top of their search bar and puts your website at the top of the map listing. Now, what I want to show you real quick here is the UR versus the DR. Now, the UR is the strength of your site, and this is 2 out of 100. So there's definitely some room to improve right here. And the 0.4 is the trust popularity of your site, and that's at a 0.4. Now, if you look at your competitions over here, you're actually beating them on the DR. They have a 0.2. You have a 0.4, but their power here, their strength of their site is 15, while yours is 2. So that's one reason they're outranking you. But I'll tell you something good, though. You have 117 backlinks, and they have 100. Backlinks is another factor that helps you push above your competition. The reason I'd say that they are outranking you right now is because the backlinks that you have are probably not strong backlinks. You know, all backlinks are not created equal. Just because you have 5 and they have 5 or 7 doesn't mean that the 7 outranks the 5. It is the quality of the backlinks that is the main factor that comes into play here. And also, if you take a look here, they have 90 organic keywords and you have 44. And again, that is just looking at what people normally search. HVAC, Massville, Kentucky, HVAC near me, best HVAC, things like that. What I do is I have another tool that generates and tells me which keywords are the most popular and the difficulty in ranking those. And the higher the difficulty, the longer it takes to rank, but the more powerful that keyword is. Now, one more trick about this tool that I'm having is, say they are outranking you in backlinks. That is not a problem. This tool actually breaks down inside here and lets me see exactly where every backlink that your competitor has, where they got it from. So we can mimic that. Not only can we mimic it, we can go above and beyond. So if they have 100 backlinks, we want to get 200, 250. We want to blow them out of the water. That way, there's no way they can come back and outrank you. My goal is to push you up higher in the Google listings, not to be outranked. Another thing that helps is, as you see here, they have yellow pages. Yellow pages is a citation. That's another factor that ranks you higher in Google, is if they have more citations than you do, and that's just Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages. All that is your name, address, phone number. Also seen on sites as NAP. So the more places you get your name, address, and phone number, they have to be exact every single time to refer back to your business. That gives your website power. That tells Google that your website needs to move up in the rankings. Again, I compared you against Madisonville or Hopkins County Heating and Air because they're the #1 on the map pack. And everything that they have can be beat. They have nowhere near 1,500 keywords, or they have nowhere near 1,500 words in their content on their homepage. The rest of these pages are very spammy. It's a lot of unnecessary stuff here, but I think they're outranking you is because they do have all this. And on your page, it's just kind of cut, dry, straight to the point, which is how a lot of customers like it. But if someone's searching for your website, they're not here to comb through your content. They're here to get service and have your guys come out. So what I'd like to do is kind of sit down with you. I'd like for you to take a look at this screencast. If you like what you see, you can give me a call at 270-841-3600, or you can email me at leo@aronamarketing.com. And the purpose today, like I said, is to educate you, to let you know things that you can do on your own to modify your website and to outrank your competitors. And if it's something that you don't have time for, I know it's a very busy time of the year, I can do these SEO projects for you. I can do the website builds, designs, GMB for Google. Anything you need to do, I can do it for you and start helping you outrank your competitors. So again, nice to meet you. My name is Leo Arona. I'm the owner of Arona Marketing right here in Massville, Kentucky. I hope you take the time to watch this screencast. I hope you enjoy it and get good feedback out of it. I hope to hear from you soon. Have a blessed night.